Are you trying to get money for your business today? Do you know how to pre-qualify and build business credit? Do you want to learn how to make your business bankable? Hi, my name is Estrada Vega, and this is your lucky day. I spent the last 3 years building a step-by-step system and guided software to help you learn how to track the roadmap of getting your business funded. I call it the 360 Business Vantage because it covers all the aspects of your business. And today I'm giving it out for free. Yes, I said free. I'm giving it out as a free business success can and access to my 360 Business Vantage system. But it's only for a limited time only. So don't wait, just click on the link below. No guys, we are not lenders, nor are we going to take your information and sell it to a third-party lender. And overall, we are not a credit repair company, so don't worry about that. This is the tool that every business owner needs to have. We lay out the steps so you have to do nothing other than just get in the program and follow the road. Click on the link below and get your free business success can now. And now you have all of the tools to help you get funding for your company. Let's make your business bankable today. All you need to do is click on the link below. Now, here's what some of the industry leaders have to say about the 360 Business Vantage.
Hi, my name is Omar Period. 360 Business Vantage, they help thousands of businesses all around the country to become compliant, become bankable, and ultimately receive the most amount of business funding possible. If you own a business or are creating a business, you need to talk to these guys.
360 Business Vantage is definitely a great company you want to get to know. And I was approved within 35 days. I was approved for about $850,000. The process was very smooth, and I would definitely give them a 10 from my experience.
You see who I'm here with, right?
Hey guys, I'm with Carlos over here.
This is the guy that cares more about your success than anyone else on planet, more than your mama cares about you doing well.